Hello students, welcome to Maggie's classes. This presentation consists of plus 2 chemistry volume 2, unit 11, hydroxy compounds and ethers. Short answer, question number 6, 7, 8. The question number 6, arrange the following in the increasing order of their boiling points and give the reason for your ordering. The first one is the butane 2-ol, butane 1-ol, 2-methylpropane 2-ol. The question one, all are isomeric alcohols. Writing structures, butane 2-ol, butane 1-ol, 2-methyl-2-propanol. It is a secondary alcohol and it is primary alcohol and it is tertiary alcohol. Here the characteristic group is CHOH, the characteristic group is CH2OH, the characteristic group is COH, and so it is tertiary. All are isomeric alcohols, all are having the same molecular formula. Among the isomeric alcohols, primary alcohols have high boiling point. This is because the extent of hydrogen bonding is greater. So it is easily form hydrogen bond when compared to the secondary alcohol. When you consider the tertiary alcohol, here the branches are 3 in number. As branches increases, what happens? It gives the molecules in spherical and safe, and so the van der Waals forces are less. So it has less boiling point. So what is your order first? The first is the 2-methyl-propane 2-ol, and second butane 2-ol, and the high boiling point goes to the butane 1-ol. The reason is the butane 1-ol has greater extent in the boiling point, hydrogen bonding. And in the case of 2-methylpropane 2-ol, it is spherical in shape, and so the van der Waals force is less, having less boiling point. The second one, propane 1-ol, propane 1,2,3 triol, propane 1,2,3 diol, and propane 2-ol. So the first one, propane 1-ol and propane 2-ol, the propane 1-ol has high boiling point than that of the propane 2-ol. So it is clear. So it has great extent of hydrogen bonding. Propane 1-ol is having high boiling point than that of the propane 2-ol. Then you compare the propane 1,3 diol and the propane 1,2,3 triol. Propane 1,3 is a diol system. It has 2 hydroxyl groups, and propane 1,2,3 triol has 3 hydroxyl groups. So it gives high extent of hydrogen bonding than that of the 1,3 diol. So propane 1,2,3 triol is having higher boiling point among this. It is propane 1,2,3 triol. Then propane 1,3 diol. It is propane 1,3 diol. Then the propane 1-ol, CH3 1-ol. The least boiling point goes to propane 2-ol. So when you compare these first two, it has less hydrogen bonding compared to this one, and this is due to the hydroxyl groups number. So there are two factors operating here. One is the extent of hydrogen bonding. It is greater in the 1,2,3 triol and followed by 1,3 diol, then propane 1-ol, and least goes to propane 2-ol. So this is the order. Okay. Let us see the answer. The first one, the arrangement is 2-methyl-2-propanol, 2-propanol, 1-propanol. It is tertiary, secondary, primary. Among the isomeric alcohols, primary alcohols have high boiling point. So it is in the first case due to strong hydrogen bonding. Tertiary alcohols have less boiling point than the secondary and primary due to the less van der Waals force. So this is your explanation. The second question, propane 2-ol, 1-propanol, the same one. The propanol is greater extent of hydrogen bonding than 2-propanol. And compare the propane 1,3 diol and propane 1,2,3 diol. Propane 1,2,3 diol has 3 OH groups than that of the propane 1,3 diol. It has 2 OH groups with strong hydrogen bonding. So this is answer you have to write. Question number 7. Can we use nucleophiles such as ammonia, the methoxide ion, for the nucleophilic substitution of alcohol? The question is, the nucleophiles such as ammonia and the RO minus methoxide ions, can be used as a nucleophilic substitution reaction in alcohols. Here the nucleophilicity order is the negative charged species, that is OH minus, is having greater nucleophilicity than that of the ammonia. So in alcohol, OH group is present and MH3 is the neutral molecule with lower pair electrons. As the charge increases, the nucleophilicity, that is the ability to substitute in as a nucleophile, is greater. So hydroxyl group is greater extent than that of the ammonia. So ammonia cannot act as a nucleophiles in the nucleophilic substitution. And in the case of methoxide ion, the one more alkyl group is present. It is alkyl group. Here the hydrogen is present. The alkyl group increases the electron density towards oxygen atom, and so the nucleophilicity power of the methoxide ion is greater than that of the hydroxide ion. So methoxide ion can be used as a nucleophile for the nucleophilic substitution of the alcohol. So this is the reason. So we can we use nucleophiles such as ammonia. We cannot use as a nucleophile because it is lesser nucleophilicity than that of the OH minus ion. And we can use the methoxide ion as a nucleophilic in the nucleophilic substitution because it is more nucleophilicity than that of the alcohol. The reason is given. The methyl group is an electron releasing group. It releases electron density here. So it is more nucleophilicity than that of the hydroxide ion. Okay. Then question number 8. Is it possible to oxidize the tertiary butyl alcohol using acidified dichromate to form the carbon compound? Acidified dichromate is a oxidizing agent, and the tertiary butyl alcohol, it is tertiary butyl alcohol. It has no alpha hydrogen atom, so that the oxidation is not possible under normal condition. But under high temperature, what happens? It undergoes dehydration instead of oxidation. Because of the dehydration, it removes this OH from alpha carbon, and the beta carbon, one hydrogen atom is removed. So that you get the product CH3C, CH3, it will be CH2. It is isobutylene. Again, it is oxidized. The carbon-carbon bond is cleaved. So you get the product CH3, C double bond O, CH3, with less carbon number than that of the parent alcohol, and the remaining part CH2 is converted into formic acid. So it gives ketone and acid with the cleavage of carbon-carbon double bond. Only at high temperature this reaction takes place. At normal condition it is not possible to oxidize the tertiary butyl alcohol at normal condition. Only at high temperature, instead of oxidation, it undergoes dehydration. It is very important. Question number 7. The negative charge species are more nucleophiles than neutral molecule. So ammonia is neutral and it is less nucleophilic than OH. It is negative species. So ammonia cannot be used as a nucleophiles in the nucleophilic substitution of alcohols. The CH3O minus. CH3O minus is better nucleophile than OH minus. This is because the methyl group releases electron density towards oxygen. Methyl group increases the electron density plus I group. So CH3O minus can be used as a nucleophilic substitution. Okay, students, it is the end of the presentation. I hope that it is useful to you. Thank you for watching.